It's Steve and Maggie. It's Steve and Maggie. Let's learn and play.
Ho! Hello, boys and girls!
Hi!
Come and join Maggie and me on the farm! Yeah!
Steve and Maggie had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm they had some chickens, E-I-E-I-O. With a cluck here and a cluck there, here a, there a, everywhere a moo-moo. Steve and Maggie's crazy farm, E-I-E-I-O.
Oh, what? Look, there are cows moo in the chicken coop. But cows don't lay eggs, do they? Do they? Oh, what a crazy farm! Oh, what? Oh, what are cows doing here? Where should they be, boys and girls? Yeah, in a field, eating grass. Oh, come on, you lot. It's time to move. Yeah. Oh dear! Look, everyone! All the cows are in the truck! Hooray! But they are noisy, aren't they? Oh dear! Listen! And moo! They're so noisy!
There's a moo-moo here, a moo-moo there, here a moo, there a moo, everywhere a moo-moo. Steve and Maggie had a farm, E-I-E-I-O.
Yeah! Ta-da! Look, the cows are back in their field! Hooray! So, let's be cows. Come on and say with me, they are cows. Moo! They are cows. Moo! They are cows. Moo!
Hi, Steve!
Oh, there you are, Maggie.
Yeah!
You didn't help me move the cows, you naughty, naughty bird. They were in the chicken coop.
Oh, really?
Yes, Maggie. So, we'd better check the other animals on the farm. Come on.
Steve and Maggie had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm they had some pigs, E-I-E-I-O. With a what here and a there, here a, there a, everywhere a baba. Steve and Maggie's crazy farm, E-I-E-I-O.
No! Sheep in the pig pen! You'll get dirty! Oh, no! Don't jump! Stop it! Stop it! Oh, you naughty, naughty sheep! Oh, look! Everything is dirty! Oh, and where's Maggie when I need her help with these noisy sheep? Listen! Yeah, ba-ba! Ba-ba to you too! Oh, sing along, boys and girls! Yeah!
With a ba-ba here, a ba-ba there, here a bar, there a bar, everywhere a ba-ba. Steve and Maggie had a farm, E-I-E-I-O.
Yeah!
Steve, you're so dirty!
Oh, yes, Maggie, like the sheep. They were in the pig pen. Oink, 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 oink.
Time for a little Maggie Magic! Abracadabra!
Oh, great! That's better. So, let's be sheep. Bah! Come on and say with me. They are sheep. Bah! They are sheep. Bah! They are sheep. Bah! Yeah! Now, let's check the rest of the farm. Come on. Yeah!
Steve and Maggie had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm they had some horses, E-I-E-I-O. With a here and a there, here a, there, everywhere a oink oink. Steve and Maggie's crazy farm, E-I-E-I-O. Maggie, help! Oh, where is that naughty, naughty bird?
Oh, hey! What happened? And what's that sound? Yeah, it's Maggie! Oh, you naughty, naughty bird! Maggie, put all the animals back in the right place.
Okay. Abracadabra! Yeah!
Great! But hey, I think we should check the whole farm. So come on and sing along.
Steve and Maggie had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. With a cluck cluck here, a cluck cluck there, a moo here, a moo there, a ba-ba here, a ba-ba there, an oink oink here, an oink oink there, a neigh neigh here, a neigh neigh there. Steve and Maggie's crazy farm. E-I-E-I-O. Cluck cluck moo moo ba-ba oink, neigh neigh on the farm.
Oh, wow, look, Maggie, a tropical island.
Wow.
Oh, I wish I was there.
Okay, abracadabra! Off you go, Steve! Hey, let's enjoy a crazy tropical adventure!
Oh, hi, boys and girls. Isn't Maggie a naughty, naughty bird? Yeah. Oh, but check out this tropical island. I wonder what lives here. Let's explore. Okay, shout out if you see something, yeah? Wait. Hey, did you hear that? Is there something here? Oh, no. Come on, let's keep going. Oh! What? A banana skin! Oh, wow! A monkey, look! Oh, and another! Oh, this is Monkey Island! So sing with me! Yeah!
I can see a monkey, yeah, this is Monkey Island. There's a monkey over there, there's a monkey over there. There are monkeys everywhere, yeah, this is Monkey Island. Ooh, ooh, ah, ah, ooh, ooh, ah, ooh, ooh, ah, ah.
Oh, hey! I'm going to take a photo with the monkeys. Say cheese! Oh, hey! What a cheeky monkey! Come back here! No! Nearly there! Ooh. Now, give me back my phone, you cheeky monkey! Oh! Yeah! I've got my phone! And the monkeys got the bananas! Oh no! Oh, bye-bye, Monkey Island! A new island! Oh, are there any monkeys here? Huh? No. Phew! So hey, shout out if you see... What? Already? Where? Down there? Oh! Crocodiles! Oh, but shh! The crocodiles are sleeping. Come on, let's get out of here. Oh, shh! Oh, sorry. Shh! 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 Oh, shh! Shh! Oh no! All the crocodiles are awake! What can I do? Aha! I know! Bubblegum! Yeah! Great! Okay, here you are. Catch! Oh, look! It's working! Yay! So, bubblegum for all the crocodiles. Here you are. And you? Hey, there's no need to be scared on Crocodile Island, is there? Sing with me. Yeah!
I can see a crocodile, yeah, this is Crocodile Island. There's a crocodile over there, there's a crocodile over there. There are crocodiles everywhere, yeah, this is Crocodile Island. Snap, 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 snap.
Yeah! Look, boys and girls, all the crocodiles are happy. Yay! Oh, but I don't want to stay here. With only one bubblegum ball left. But I've got an idea! Yay! Hey! Look, boys and girls! I'm crocodile surfing! Yay! Hey! Oh, we're here! Here you are, Snappy! Yay! A new island to explore! Let's go! Oh, there aren't any crocodiles here, are there? Oh, no. But hey, boys and girls, do shout out if you see something. Wait, where? Oh, what did you see? Something there? No, something there? No, it must be something very small, yeah? What's that? A snake! Oh dear! Oh, what happened? Stop! Oh dear! Look at me, boys and girls. I'm all wet. Whoa! Wow! Look, I'm dry. Thanks. Oh, look, boys and girls. It's an elephant! And another one! Oh, this must be Elephant Island! Sing with me! Yeah! I can see an elephant. Yeah, this is Elephant Island. There's an elephant over there. There's an elephant over there. There are elephants everywhere. Yeah, this is Elephant Island. Oh, yeah! Come on, let's all be elephants! Yay! Yeah! Oh, sorry! Oh, dear! Wow! Look, girls and boys! It's an ostrich! So sing with me! Come on! I can see an ostrich, yeah, this is Ostrich Island. There's an ostrich over there. There's an ostrich over there. There are ostriches everywhere, yeah, this is Ostrich Island. Oh, stop!
Steve's head is in the sun, like an ostrich.
Oh, Maggie!
Come on, time to go! Yay!
Oh, no, but wait! Oh, I'm like an ostrich, aren't I? I can't fly, oh, Maggie, you naughty, naughty bird.
No problem. Abracadabra!
Whoa! Wow! Let's try. Oh, yeah! It works! Come on, let's fly! Ready, steady, go! Amazing! Yeah!
Time!
Whoa! Wow! What a crazy adventure! Come on! Oh, why is my car so slow and your car, Maggie, is so fast?
Yeah!
Oh, come on! Oh, hey, hi there! We're playing a racing game.
Hi.
Look, my car is so slow.
Yeah!
Look, here comes my car. Oh no, that was Maggie's car. Oh, that's Maggie's car again.
Yeah!
Why is Maggie's car so fast? Oh, here comes my car. Look, it's a slow car. What is it? Say it with me. It's a slow car. And again, it's a slow car. One last time. It's a slow car. Yeah.
Finish! I win!
Okay, Maggie, well done.
Yeah!
You win. Why is my car so slow? Wait a minute. If I was small, I could drive the car and make it go really fast. Ha-ha! But I need some Maggie Magic. Maggie? Maggie?
Yes, Steve?
Can you make me small, please? Make me really small, please.
Abracadabra!
Wow! Hey! Look at me! I'm so small! But now I can drive my car! Look at that! What is it? Is it my car? But it's so big! It's a big car! Look! So say it with me. Come on, what is it? It's a big car! And again, it's a big car! One more time. It's a big car. Oh, it's too big for me, though. Maggie, don't be naughty. Make me big again. I want to be big.
Abracadabra!
Hey, what happened? Look at me. I'm big. I'm very big. Oh, Maggie, are you being naughty again? Oh, and what's that? What is it? Oh, look. It's my car. It's so small. Is it a big car? No, it's a small car. So say it with me. Come on, what is it? It's a small car. And again, it's a small car. Come on, it's a small car. Last time, it's a small car. It's too small for me. Oh, Maggie, I want to drive my racing car.
Okay. Abracadabra!
Hey, great. Look at me now. I'm not too big. I'm not too small. And I hope this car is not too slow. Let's find out. Ready, steady, go! Is it a slow car? No. What is it? Yeah, it's a fast car. Say it with me. Come on. It's a fast car. And again, it's a fast car. One more time. It's a fast car. Yeah.
Hello, Steve.
Hello, Maggie. Oh, hello, boys and girls. Hi. I'm not happy today.
Dear.
No.
What happened, Steve?
Well, I went on holiday in the mountains. First, I wanted to go for a walk, but it wasn't fun. Walk, 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 walk. Hey, hello. Look, it's cold, but it's sunny. A good day for a walk. Stand up and walk with me. Stand up and walk, yeah. Walk, 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 walk. Hey, come on. Walk, 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 walk. Hey, wow. Look at all this snow. Hey. Oh, hey, listen. What's that? Ah! Oh, I don't want to walk anymore.
That's funny.
Okay, maybe that was funny under the snow.
Yeah.
But then it got worse.
Oh, what happened?
Well, I wanted to skate, but that was a bad idea. Hey, look! Skating! Hey! Skate! 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 Yeah! Can you skate with me? Stand up, come on, and skate! 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 Yeah! Great! Oh! 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 Oh no! Ow! Oh! I don't want to skate anymore. Ow! Hey! Stop laughing! Hey! Stop it! It hurt my bottom!
Oh dear!
Oh! But then, hey, I wanted to ski, and that was a very, very, very bad idea. Hey! Ski! Yeah! Ski! 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 Can you ski with me? Come on, stand up, and ski! 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 Yeah! Well done! Oh no! Ski jump! Oh! I don't want to ski anymore. Oh!
Oh dear!
You see? Look.
Yeah!
Oh, and now it's very bad because I need the toilet and I can't walk.
Oh, but you can hop!
Hop?
Yeah!
Okay. Hey, here we go. Oh, hop,
Hop!
hop, 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 hop with me. Hop,
Oh, Steve!
hop,
Stop, Steve!
hop, hop. Oh,
Here's
sorry,
some
Maggie.
Maggie Magic! Abracadabra!
Hey! Oh, thanks, Maggie.
Yeah!
Oh, come on. Let's ski. Ha ha. See you next time. Bye-bye.
Oh,
Ski,
see
ski.
ya.